Hello, sir. We are from Team Prominence Detection. This is the demo video for Prominence Detection. First, let us see the home page. This is the home page, and this is the first page that the user will see. After seeing this, user can log in into the system. He can press login. After pressing login, he will see some login page. If you don't have any account, he can register into the database. Let me show you the login functionality. I am randomly typing some random username and randomly typing some password. I am pressing login. Now it is showing invalid credentials. So from this we can verify that the login page is working. Now now let's add a new user into the database. For example, let's say we are adding new user IIITH and the password is 1234 and I'm pressing register. See, like we after creating the account we directly entered into the system. Now let's see the logout functionality. I'm pressing logout, so now so the user whose ID is IIITH and password is 1234 will be logged out of the system. We can see that logout functionality is also working. Now the user is in. Now we are again at the home page. Now let's log in again, and let's like some users like admin are added into the database by the administrator. This admin has some extra access to the some pages. Now let's create another user, IIIT H1 or let's log in with IIITH user IIITH and the password is 1234. We created that just a minute ago. Now let's see now the user who registered is a normal user. He won't be have any access to the database. Like if he tries to access the admin page, see this error message is shown, either the page doesn't exist or you are not authorized to view this page. So the people who are getting registered, when they log in into system, they cannot access few pages because they don't have permission for the admin page. So let's log out again, and as we can see logout functionality is working. And now let's press login. This admin and this password is manually entered into the database, and with these credentials user can have some special access to the pages like admin page, etc. User can have access to database with this page. So with these credentials, when the user logs into the system, if he presses /admin, he has access to this page which can monitor the database, which can add new words into the database. Now let's see the functionality of read instructions. The user will be displayed with the reading instructions, and when he press get started. Now let's keep the word in the mind permit. Now what user should do in this page, for that a help button is added. This help will say start recording, and if you are interrupted press the pause button and stop when you're done recording. This help is inserted in this page. According to this help, user can understand what he needs to do. Now let's press play button, pause button, play button, pause button, and when he's completed, he can press stop button, stop button. He's pressed. Now he can listen to this. Now again in this page, in this upload audio page, we need to tell to user what he should do. Again, when he presses help here, a new help is will be displayed. A new help. In previous page we displayed one help, and now we are displaying new help, which is different from previous one. In this page, it is telling click on upload if you're satisfied with the recording, or else re-record. So user can listen to the audio. Play button. Pause. Play button. Pause. He can upload this audio or he can record it again. Let's upload it. And in this page, you can see like user can see the which syllables to stress and which syllables to relax. This is the page, and this is results page. And again here he can press help. Like at every stage there is help which tells the user to what to do. Click on try next word button to see next word. Like next word functionality is implemented here, or he can try again the same word. Now let me try again the same word to show you the try again functionality. When I press try again, you can see that user came back to the permit work page. So try again is working. And upload, here you can upload or record again. Let me show you record again. As we can see, the user is redirected to record audio page when he pressed record audio button. So therefore record audio functionality, record again, is also working. Let's go with the normal flow: playing, passing, and complete. When it is completed, user can press stop button. Now we showed upload functionality is working, record again is also working. Now let's go with the normal flow. Let's upload it. Now I already shown you the try again functionality just before. Now let's see the try next word functionality. Try next word. New word is bureaucracy. Let's say the user is recording the audio, stopped. Now he is uploading, and again he can now try next word. Next word is undoubtedly, and for every word, like you can see the help is there. In this page, help is start recording, pause if interrupt, and stop when you are done recording. Is recording, he can pause and he can stop. Now he can upload or re-record. Same thing is mentioned in help also. Like click on upload if you're satisfied with the recording, or else re-record. Same thing is mentioned in help. Let's say he's uploaded. Now again, user don't know what to do in this space. He can press help and can see the things that are needed to do by him in the help. Now user can try next word or try again or try next word. Let's try next word. Next word is intelligence. Now record it. Stop. Upload. Let's try next word. Permit n. Record it. Stop. Upload. Let's see the next word. you can see like we started with permit verb and we came back to the permit word. So hence next word functionality is working. We started with permit, which is a verb, and we iterated over all the words in the database, and we finally reached to the same word. So the try next word functionality is working. Hence the try next word functionality is working. Let's add new word into the database by going into admin page. This is the admin page. Let's add a new word, evaluation, and I'm uploading the audio file. Now I'm giving the markings for the syllables. Here, eva is a normal syllable, 0 to 100 ms, 100 milliseconds. Eva, liu, liu is a stressed syllable, and the milliseconds is from 100 to 150. And evaluate it is a normal syllable, and it goes from 150 milliseconds to 200 milliseconds. And the next syllable is shen. It is a stressed syllable. It goes from 200 to 300 milliseconds. Now you can see. Now let's submit this. Yeah, it is successful. The word new word evaluation is being entered into the database. Now we can check this by playing the game again. Like, let's read instructions. Let's get started. Now first word is permit. Stop, upload, try next word. Bureaucracy, stop, upload, try next word. Undoubtedly, stop, upload, try next word. Intelligence, record, pass, stop, upload. Now let's try next word. So you can see that new word evaluation has been entered into the database successfully. Therefore, trimming audio functionality is working. Let's record for it. Recording, passed, stop. Now we are uploading. You can see like these are the syllables that we just entered into the database. And all these syllables can be presented to the user. So therefore, trimming audio functionality is working. And next word is permit, stop, upload, try next word. We can see that we again came back to the permit verb word. So therefore, next word functionality is working, and also the trimming functionality is also working. And coming to the UI part, like the color combinations that were used for the UI were experimented with various colors, and you can see that UI is looking very good. And and we have presented all the functionalities: login, register, and uh, and the natural game of the flow of the game. And only few users can access few pages, and some users cannot access the admin pages. And those admins are manually entered into the database by the administrator. Therefore, this app is very secure. And not only that, as we can see into the report, in the backend, lot many functionalities were implemented for the security purposes. And this password hashing and maintaining sessions were maintained in the backend for the security things. And for the as we are interacting with the MongoDB database, we are storing data into the database, and we are using indices for faster access of the data. backend might look Backend work might not be visible to us currently, but it is doing a hell lot of work in the backend. A lot of things were implemented in the backend. Things like cookies, password encryption, and keeping indices on the data. All these things were implemented for the efficiency purposes and security purposes. The helpfulness of these may not be visible to us directly, but these play very important role to stop DDoS attacks, etc. JWT encrypts the JSON object, and password encryption. Everything has been done in the backend. The work of the backend might not be visible, but it is really happening. And using indices for the database for the faster access. All these things take so much time to code up, and they are needed for the good apps, for the secure apps, and the work might not be visible to us, but that has been done, and they are working fine. Password encryption, cookies, etc. And we have faced many challenges also by implementing them. It took a lot of time. And you can also see the UI is looking very good with various color combinations. And not only that, like some small adjustments have also been added to the UI. For example, if there are many stressed syllables, you can see that automatically scroll is coming. All these little things were also taken care of. If this scroll is not coming, like initially it is empty. If we keep on adding, then user can scroll here itself. If that has not been done, then it will make the page very big, and it will make the page to cut in the half. All these minor things were taken care of. So finally we say thank you. uh, the entire flow has been done. The UI is looking good, and all the functionalities which we discussed were implemented. And thanks for guiding us throughout the year. Thank you, sir.